Yeah, it's localized. Yeah, put in. Yeah, hello everyone. Today we go to looking inside and downwards. Yeah, we go to looking natural at this house. Yeah, okay, we go to look at now. Don't be late time. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we go to look at this. Yeah, at the I see chicken. He find at least how at the hell any insect. Some insect. Wow. Beetle worm. Beetle worm. It's cool. It's localized. Yeah, we can just put in this. Yeah. We open this. Wow, this one. This one beetle worm. Yeah, this one warm. Yeah, it's so cool. Okay, we look each other. Well, centipede. Wow, centipede. Yeah, black beetle. Wow, I don't like this. Wow. Wow. I have this hill. Wow. I have this hill. Beetle worm anymore. Wow. Wow. I have here any more beetle worm. Find this. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, look at this. Here beetle worm. Beetle worm we look is one by one. Yeah. Three beetle worm. Look at this, it's so cool. Look at the activities. It's one to go to in the coconut tree. Yeah. Look at the activity, it's so localized. Yeah, we put in and this one. Yeah, this worm. Yeah, look at it. It is long. Wow. Wow, it want to miss me. Wow. Yeah, we put in. Wow, it's go into. Yeah, it's want to go into the coconut tree. Yeah, we can eat. Yeah. Look at this, it's a localized. Yeah, we go to look at any beetle worm. Yeah, we look at these one by one. Wow. This is a lava. This is a lava worm. Yeah. It's so cool. It can beat you. Yeah, don't touch it. Yeah. I don't like. Look at this each other. Wow, this one. Yeah, it's so small. I don't like it. It is a lava worm. Yeah, look at this. It is a centipede. Wow, it's going to coconut tree. Yeah. Look at each other insect. Yeah. I have a hail insects anymore. Wow. Wow, look at this. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I see this one. Yeah. This one, wow. Wow, my God. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I can hear it. 6. Wow. In the tunnel. Yeah. We go to look one by one. Wow, look at this. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one millipede. Oh, sorry. Beetle worm. Yeah, beetle worm is one. This one beetle worm. We go to kites. Yeah, it's going to. It's going to. Wow. Wow. Where? Yeah, look at this. It's going to coconut tree. Here. Look at this. Wow. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. My God. Yeah, we put in. Yeah, we go to look at each other. I hope it didn't heal anymore. One is one. Wow, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 4 beetle worm. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. Look at activities. Yeah, activities look like this one. Yeah, this one. It's so cool. Do you like this? It is. It can to move to be tall. Yeah, look, these activities now. Wow. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Wow. Wow, look at this. Wow. So cool. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, we put in right now. This one. Look, it's my hand. Yeah, look, it is so long. Yeah. It's like, it's held like, it held 6 legs. Wow, my God. This one, yeah. Yeah, I don't know how many months it can to move to Beetle. Yeah, I will to research again, and if you know how many months is moved to Beetle, you can comment to tell me. Oh my god. Yeah, nice one. One more. Yeah. This one. Look at each other. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god, it's beat the world. Yeah. Oh, it's me. Wow. It's me. Oh, look at it. It's long. It's bit. It's bit my hand. Oh my god, don't touch it. Yeah, you don't allow your children to touch it. Yeah, because it's a can to beat. Yeah, we look at each other. Yeah, this one. Wow, it's so cool. It's so localized. Wow. Here we put in. Look at two. Wow, look at this. Wow. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Wow. 4. Wow, it's so cool. You look at this. Yeah, look at the activities. You want to go into coconut tree. Have we put in? Have we catch this one? This is the beetle worm. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, look at this one. Yeah, look it's wow. Don't allow your children to cut it. Look at it is long. Yeah, again and again. Look at the activities. Yeah, I'm sorry it hear any sound. Yeah, we got to look at each other. Yeah, wow, this one. I use this to dig because it can help any more insect. So centipede, yeah, it can't beat. So that I use this to look. Yeah, look at this one. Wow. Yeah, put in. Look at it here, this one. Wow, too. Yeah, it's localized. Yeah, put in this one. This one. Yeah. Yeah, we put in. Wow. Look at this. Wow, this one. Wow, my god. Yeah. My god. Wow. Look at this we put in. Look each other. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Look at the activities. It's so cool. Look at it. It's long and the leg is short, but its body is big. Yeah. You ever put in? Okay, this one. Yeah, this one. Look at this. Yeah. It's a look like. Wow. Look it like it's so long, so short, it's so, yeah, look at this, it's so cute. If you love it, look at this, so cute. Yeah. Look at the activity we put in. Okay, this one. Look each other. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, look at this and this one. Yeah, do you like this? With the activities, look at the activities with each other. Yeah, we got to look at each other. One is one. One is one. So lovely. Wow. Yeah, we put in it now. Okay. Yeah, we look at each other anymore. I have it here. Anymore. Oh my god. Yeah, it here each other. This one. Yeah, one more time. Yeah. Oh my god. It's so love. Yeah. Yeah, don't hit each other. Wow, look at this. Oh, lava. Yeah, look at the activities. Yeah, look at the activities. Oh, I will to stop video at now. Thank you for watching the video. Yeah, if you like this video, you can have subscribe to me for follow to next video again. Okay. Okay, see you next video again. Goodbye, and I love you all together. Yeah, I will to relax is better natural, okay? Yeah, I don't to kill it. Yeah, okay. Goodbye, good luck, and happy New Year to 2025. Okay, goodbye. See you in the video again, and this time, goodbye and good luck for everyone. Goodbye.